My name is Dario. I am a biking guide of Tuscany by Bike. We are a small company based in the Chianti area of Tuscany. We would like to share with you a beautiful experience of riding in the beautiful countryside in the hills of Tuscany. The beauty of this territory is the variety of its landscape. We love to discover and to let you discover. We consider e-biking a very affordable and easy way to get to know the landscape, the territory where we are living. Because e-biking is a way that everybody could do. We are ready to host families. We have small bikes for children and trailers for the youngest. The e-bike is a way that allows you to get to know, to discover the territory without being there panting too much when you're climbing uphill, but allows you to watch around, to breathe normally, to have a little workout, but also using your own presence, your body as a way to touch, to feel, to hear, to listen, to smell the countryside around you. We have many competencies that we like to share with you. You will discover the tradition, the cultural background, the history of this region. We like to explore the territory, getting to know the small details of the daily life. We like to get you to know small places, very authentic places where you can, for example, taste the local products, wineries, cheese makers, pasta making. The e-bike is a means, and the tour itself is a box which we can fill with every experience you want. E-biking, it's sustainable, it's silent, it's respectful of the local territory and of the local population, which you will get to know with an e-bike tour with us.